Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how you can change the background color in CSS. You have to create a new file and you have to write the name of your new file. As you can see, I have created this file. Now I'll go back and I'll write down this code to link that new file with this one. You have to write down link rel equals to style sheet, and now you have to write href equals to the name of your file. Now I have to go back and I'll write body and background color and red. And if I run this code, you can see the background color has been changed to red. So that's how you can add a background color in CSS. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.